Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we'll discuss how to install and use Signal on Windows 11. So with that being said, let's get started. To use Signal on Windows 11, first of all we have to download the Signal installer file. For that, simply open any browser and search for Signal and open the link from signal.org. Don't worry about the download link, I'll provide the download link in the description box. Here, scroll down to the download section and simply select Windows operating system. Now here is the official website from where you can download Signal Windows desktop application. To download, simply click on download for Windows and wait for the download process to complete. Once the download has been completed, simply open Signal setup.exe file. So here we have the setup window. Let me minimize the browser and it will automatically install Signal application on your Windows 11. Now to use it, simply on the search option, search for Signal and open the application and open Signal application on your phone. Go to settings and tap on linked devices and scan this QR code. After that, you are ready to use Signal application on Windows 11. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.